Today I'm not cooking, but sharing a simple and easy way to store tamarind paste. Tamarind paste is an ingredient that many Southeast Asian households have stocked for a lovely tanginess in the dishes. I myself using tamarind juice for my cooking. The tamarind paste comes in a packet like this. Cut open the packet. And usually there will be another layer of plastic wrapping. Open the plastic wrapping. This is what it looks like. Usually I will use 1 or 2 tablespoons each time and the rest keep it for future use. However, if it is kept this way, it becomes very messy after a while. Put the tamarind packet on the chopping board. Cut and divide the tamarind paste into smaller portions. In this block, I am dividing it into 12 smaller portions. I have a plastic bag here, or a plastic glove works as well. Pick up a portion and make it into a round shape. Then put it in a container. Continue making more round shapes of tamarind paste. These are the tamarind paste ball in the container. To use this tamarind paste ball, pick up 1 or 2 balls from the containers, put it in the heat-resistant bowl, pour in some hot water. Use the spoon to press down the tamarind paste to melt it in the hot water. Continue doing this until the paste has dissolved in the hot water. Strain the tamarind water to remove the broken shells and the seeds. And there we have it, fresh and ready to use tamarind water for our cooking. Alright, this is a simple kitchen tips that I would like to share. I hope it benefits you at some point. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.